Izinkampani ezihlinzeka ngosizo kumkhadludolobha iMangaung zithukuthele isiganunwabo ngenxa yokungakhokhelwa ngendlela efanele. Kumanje izikhulu zonogada sezincamele ukubeka phansi amathuluzi. Lomakhandludolobha ofaka phakathi iBloemfontein usufakwe ngaphansi kweso lomlawuli.
Sibi kakhulu isimo njengoba onogada bengakaze bahola izinyanga ezintathu. Umqashi wabo unekontileka yeminyaka emibili nomkhadludolobha iMangaung. Uneminyaka engama-28 ubudala, ungumama wezingane ezine. Kunzima ukuthi abeke ukudla etafuleni.
It's been very hard for me because I'm not used to living this life without payment, without money, without food, because everything is based on money. So if you don't have money, you can't do anything.
Here in KSA, they have been deducting our Provident Fund and UIF. But as we go to the Provident Fund and UIF department, our name, they don't appear. I don't know where they are taking our money to.
Izinkampani isola umkhandlu ngokwenza ukuthi isimo sibe sibi kakhulu.
The workers are frustrated what is actually happening. And then so far we can't promise anything to the workers up until we get a valid payment from the service, from the client, because we are only service provider.
Izinhlelo eziningi ezidinga imali zidala umonakalo omkhulu kuleli dolobha.
The province has deployed a team of experts that are going to be intervening on the administration. One of the things that they'll be looking into, it is service providers, its contracts, and the entire administration.
Kuqoqa inkampani entsha yonogada kanti ezinye izisebenzi zizongena ngaphansi kwayo.